Tash locking down a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. Step-by-step guide. In this lab, you'll learn how to apply and test a resource lock on the DC01 virtual machine to prevent unauthorized deletions. Resource locks are critical for protecting important resources from accidental modifications or deletions. Follow the steps below to complete the lab. Step 1. Navigate to the virtual machine. 1. Select DC01 virtual machine. Log into the Azure portal. Navigate to the DC01 virtual machine. 2. Expand settings. In the left navigation pane, expand the Settings section to access additional options. Step 2. Add a resource lock. 1. Go to Locks. Click on Locks under the Settings section. 2. Add a new lock. Click Add to create a new lock. 3. Name the lock. In the lock name field, type No Delete to describe its purpose. 4. Select Lock Type. From the Lock Type dropdown, select Delete to prevent the virtual machine from being deleted. 5. Apply the lock. Click OK to save and apply the lock to the DC01 virtual machine. Step 3. Verify the lock. 1. Return to the Overview page. Navigate back to the Overview page of the virtual machine to ensure the lock has been applied. 2. Test the lock. Attempt to delete the DC01 virtual machine. Check the confirmation box. Click Delete to submit the deletion request. Observe the error message confirming that the deletion is blocked due to the resource lock. Step 4. Remove the resource lock. 1. Navigate back to Locks. Return to the Locks section under Settings. 2. Delete the lock. Select the No Delete lock and click Delete to remove it permanently. 3. Return to Overview. Go back to the Overview page to complete the lab. Final outcome. By following these steps, you will have successfully applied a delete lock to the DC01 virtual machine, tested the lock to confirm it prevents deletion, removed the lock after verification. This ensures you understand how to use resource locks effectively to protect critical Azure resources.